Welcome to Cebu. You're gonna love it here. Welcome to Cebu. So come on, let's go. So come on, let's go. Let's celebrate. This is how it goes. One beat, one dance. Let us show the world Cebu is one heart. Together we will shout, shout. Everybody say sinulog, ishagi ang kusog.
Welcome sa World Heart Day. We are celebrating this to make awareness sa tanang tao sa kalibutan para ma-prevent ang mga cardiovascular disease.
Thank you for attending World Heart Day. This is organized to keep our hearts healthy.
Thank you sa World Heart Day at nandito ako at ito'y run para sa health natin.
Salamat sa among nga nakaabil mi ani diring programa sa Capitol. Nakuan mi sa kanang blood sugar, cholesterol, naka ECG pod mi. Daghang kaayong salamat sa World Heart Day.
I'm thankful nga na-appeal ko dito sa event nga yearly event sa PHA nya daghan kog makatunan about sa atong sugar o kung saan nato pag-amping sa atong heart and health. And at the same time, importante ni siya to remind us nga ang atong heart is a fragile organ, so need gini nato ampingan.
I'm very happy to be part of the World Heart Day, and I've learned a lot today, especially on how to take care of our hearts.
Na-enjoy dyan ako ang 3 km fun run and of course free food.
So magpasalamat migdako kana kaabil mi sa free services. I am here joining the Philippine Health Association World Hearts Day. This celebration, the fun run, is good for our health and for our heart. So keep on running. Happy World Heart Day.
This is World Heart Day, brought to you by the Philippine Heart Association, Cebu chapter. Shout, everybody say sinulog, ishagi ang kusog. One beat, one dance, let us show the world Cebu is one heart. Together we will shout, shout. Everybody say sinulog, ishagi ang kusog.
Every year we celebrate the World Heart Day. Ug kani siya nga selebrasyon dili lang ni siya dinhi sa syudad nato kundi sa tibuok kalibutan, no? The purpose of this day is to remind us, no, that cardiovascular disease still remains to be the #1 killer. So we as your partners in trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle, we remind you of ways how to keep a healthy lifestyle. So we have here different activities. Gusto lang nako magpasalamat sa inyo for coming here, sa atong tanang participants, no? Sa ato asang mga cardiologists who are here to support our program. Thank you very much for coming.